Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll see one important program to check given number is even number or odd number. So in the previous session, we have seen what is a conditional statement and what are different types of conditional statements, right? So using those conditional statements, what we'll do is we'll write a program to check whether a given number is even number or odd number. So let's write a program. First, what we'll do is we'll take a number from keyboard. So how do we do that? Just say num equal to input of enter a number to check given number is even or odd, and then whatever the number we get from this input, it will be string. We need to convert it to integer. So how do we do that? Just give int, and then if num percentile, so when do we say a number is an even number and when do we say a given number is an odd number? So we say when a number is divisible by 2 and if we get a remainder as 0, then we say a number is an even number. If a number is not divisible by 2 and we are not getting remainder as 0, we call it as an odd number. Okay. So if num percentile 2 equal to 0, just say print 0 is an even number. Even number. So just call it as dot format and give it a number. So what we are trying to do over here, if num percentile 2 equal to 0, so if num percentile 2 equal to 0, print 0 is an even number, format number. And now if num percentile 2 not equal to 0, then we say print of it is an odd number. Okay. So let's run the program and see the output. So enter a number. Again run the program. So enter a number. So I'm just saying 5. 5 is an odd number. Again run the program. 4. Sorry. Enter a number. 4. 4 is an even number. So since 4 is divisible by 2, we call 4 is an even number. Otherwise, okay, it is an odd number. For 5, we got output as an odd number. Now if you see, do we really need two if conditions over here? Because either a number can be even or odd. For example, if a number is not an even number, then automatically it should be an odd number, right? So in that case, do we really need to check this? No, right? So in this case, so here the code doesn't seems to be readable. I'll just change it to else. Now if you see, if a number is divisible by 2, we call it as an even number. Otherwise, we call it as an odd number. Now let's run the program and see the output. So here colon is missing. I'm just giving the colon. Now run the program and see the output. Enter a number 5. 5 is an odd number because it is not divisible by 2. So hope you understand how to use if and else and a program to check whether given number is even number or not. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please share this video so that it reaches to more people. Thank you.